Hi, this is Craig on IT and Gadget Solutions on YouTube. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can use your iMac's mouse with your Apple iPad. Now this will probably recommend all the newer ones from this model. This model here I'm showing you is the 2017 iPad Pro. It gets me by for everyday use, emailing and etc. So basically today what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you how you can use your Apple mouse with your iPad. So as you can see at the moment I'm using this one for my iMac. Now they're both Bluetooth functionality. Obviously the Mac has got built-in Bluetooth. Now if I just take you over there, as you can see, I can use this one on my Mac. Now what I did was because this came with a dongle, I plugged in my dongle Bluetooth into the Mac, and it works fine. So just as another mouse, just another tip. So basically I just want to show you how you can actually set up your iMac mouse to work with the iPad. So what we need to do is we need to turn off, if you're using this in your workshop or house or office, what you're going to need to do is you need to turn it off at the back there, like so, and then leave it off. Then you would action your Bluetooth mouse, so you can plug in into your iMac, so you can use it while you disconnect the mouse. Now to disconnect the mouse, while you're zooming that way, I can show you briefly. At the top there you're going to have a Bluetooth icon. By default some iMacs don't have this, but you're going to have to show it up in taskbar, but mine's on the taskbar there, and as you can see, if I click here it says turn Bluetooth off. Let me just zoom in a little bit more. What I did was I disconnected the mouse, because the system mouse is off and it says connect. So you need to turn it off, basically. Disconnect off your what's in the list there, click your system administration mouse and disconnect. Now that's off, and assuming you've turned your switch off here, it's just at the focus, sorry, but yeah, we are good to go onto the iPad. Now basically on your iPad we need to open up settings, then go Bluetooth, and as you can see there it gives you a list of what it's connected and what's not underneath. Now generally at the moment, as you can tell, the system administration mouse is off, so we click it back on, we turn it back on the back there, so you can see the green, and then eventually the tablet should connect, but at the moment it is not. There you go, it's just coming. So leave it a few minutes, a minute or two, and it'll do the pairing just like that, and then it's easy to go. So what can the mouse do? Pretty much exactly you could do on the iMac pretty much, but I will go through to the mouse settings. Now when you connect your app for the first time, you will see your mouse on the side, which is normally in general, trackpad and mouse. And then there you can alter your speed, whether you want it slow off to the left or whether you want a fast one. It's basically you just click and hold on the mouse, and you can just drag what your type of preference is. I like it to be a little bit fast, and naturally you'll have your natural scroll on, which is up and down, as you can tell there. Scroll, and then secondary click. Now this was off. Now basically it gives you another click on your mouse, on whether what it was the general just one click. It gives you the option of going left or right on the mouse. So rather than click on the right of your mouse, you can click on your right, vice versa. So it is handy to have, and basically it just works smooth. It's really smooth. You can scroll up and down, and it's really good for the internet. And on the bottom, when you need to swipe up, rather than swipe up like that, if we go to Safari, as you can tell, I'm cooking my steak. So for this week, but yeah, you can scroll up to go down and down to go up, and then you click any of the links. Now on the secondary click, like I just told you, this brings up your mini menu, and it'll give you options on what you want to do, whether you want to open it, open background, etc., or download the link file, and so on. If you want to share it with a friend, you can, or open. If you just click open, that's it really. It's just a mouse. I thought I'll let you all know that you can actually connect your iMac mouse to your iPad. That's pretty much it really. And as you gain experience on how what's what, you can swipe. You can normally swipe like you do on iMac, like that, 2 fingers across as well, and 2 fingers up for a quick scroll, and down, etc. So I thought it'd be nice to have and share my experience with you guys. So yeah, do like this video, subscribe to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I've uploaded, and I've had a few issues with health and all that, and college, vice versa. I've been busy, so this is the first video of the year. I know it's been difficult this year with COVID. Now we've got entering the second lockdown, so I thought I'll do a video to help you guys if you're going to be staying at home or working at home, etc. If you've got an iPad rather than an iMac, or you can just use your mouse rather than using your pencil or trackpad for that matter. So yeah, I'm Craig, this is IT and Gadget Solutions. Stay safe out there and enjoy. Thank you, bye.